So, we ready to go?
We had the First Lady, Michelle Barnum Smith.
Michelle Barnum Smith.
Michelle Barnum Smith.
Michelle Barnum Smith.
As you can see, I have Michelle Barnum Smith here.
So my name is Michelle Barnum Smith.
I've been doing marketing for almost 20 years and, I moisturize. So if you can believe it.
I have my own marketing agency.
Wow.
And I also have a course where I train Amazon sellers how to use Facebook Messenger to build their businesses.
1, 2, 3. Are you ready to take control of your Amazon business?
Really, at the end of the day, what we're talking about is messenger marketing.
Messenger really is the one tool to rule them all. It's simple setup, easy to use.
Messenger kind of collapses all of the different tools that sellers used to have to do to be able to take back control of their listings. Chatbots are automated one-on-one communication. And what makes this different than email, for example, is that email can be automated, but it's not one-on-one.
And what's so cool about chatbots is that it's a conversation. I mean, it's the opportunity for somebody to interact.
How you're going to use it is as a momentum platform.
People who are passionate, interested, and ready to give you their money are on these platforms.
This is it. We finally found the thing that is going to save us from this nuclear war on Amazon.
That's a beautiful thing right there. 81% click-through rate. You know that people are going to buy your product.
Are you convinced? Yeah, all right.
I don't know if you can tell, but I'm a pretty strong, powerful woman. My advice is quit trying to find the job and learn instead how to monetize yourself.
And instead of waiting for something and wishing and wondering if it's going to happen, you need to actually work.
So I think there's a difference between being intimidating and having it all together.
You're a jerk. I am not talking to you.
I've been doing a lot of webinars lately, and I'm like, I just can't see your faces to see if you hate me.
So we're going to talk about how to prepare your listings, how to position your listings, and then how to promote your listings during that high traffic season.
When you're thinking about your products and the marketing that you need to do to sell them, you need to think in terms of what pain am I trying to solve?
That's why they're typing in their search boxes, because they have a problem and they're going to Amazon to find a solution, and they chose you as that solution.
So this is a Facebook ad, and Messenger pops up, and that one button, that one click of the giveaway button is all it takes to get somebody subscribed.
This is the last step, and you do this only if needed. And this is where all the phones come out. You guys are just going to give us something juicy.
Can I get a what? Who's excited to start implementing these?
Yeah.
Yeah! Woo!
If you're new to all this, that's insane.
It is totally insane.